Hi, this is King of Review. Simplify 6.29, and the 2 and 9 have a repeating bar. So if we expand this, we get 6.29, and the 2, 9 keep repeating. 2, 9, 2, 9, 2, 9, and this keeps on going. We're repeating the 2, 9. So this is a repeating decimal. And what I want to do is represent this repeating decimal as a series of terms that we will eventually add using the sum of an infinite geometric series equation. So let's break down this repeating decimal here. We have this first portion of the decimal that does not repeat. The 6 does not have a repeating bar over it, so it does not repeat. I'll just write that down here. Now, we're dealing with the repeating portion of this repeating decimal. So 0.29 is the first repeating part of this repeating decimal. So we're going to call this portion A1, or the first term. And how do we represent this first repeating portion of this decimal, the 0.29? This is written as 0.29. And now let's represent this portion of the repeating decimal. This will be our second term, or A2. This is represented as 0.0029. And now this pattern continues. Now let's represent this portion of the repeating decimal. This will be our third term, or A3. This is 0.000029. And this continues. And now what I want to do is add these up to get a sum. To add them up, I'll use the equation for the sum of an infinite geometric series. And this is S equals A1 over 1 minus R. So A1 over 1 minus R, this represents the sum of the repeating portion of this decimal. It does not include this non-repeating part, which is 6, so we must add that in here. So the next step is to figure out what R is, the common ratio. The common ratio can be found as a given term over its previous term. So you can choose whichever term you want for the numerator, but the denominator must be its previous term. So A2 over its previous term, which is A1. This is equal to 0.0029 over 0.29. And when you work this out, you get 0.01. So 0.01 is the common ratio. So now, filling out this equation, I have the sum equals A1, which is this number here, 0.29, over 1 minus the common ratio, which is 0.01, plus 6. So this equals 0.29 over 0.99 plus 6. Now I'm going to multiply this portion by 100 to get rid of the decimals. So I have 29 over 99 plus 6. I want to add these two numbers, so I must come up with a common denominator. So 29 over 99 plus 594 over 99. And this equals 623 over 99. And this is our answer. Letter D is correct. Thanks for watching.